Beginner's Guide to Prompt Engineering. Ever felt like an AI just doesn't get you? Prompt engineering is the art of crafting instructions to get reliable, high-quality results from an artificial intelligence. The Tooler System Modern AI uses two distinct instruction types to understand what you want. System prompt. This is the employee handbook. It defines the AI's role. For example, you are an expert teacher, personality and safety boundaries. User prompt. This is the specific task you want done right now. For example, summarize this article. Using examples. The SHOT method, zero-shot prompting. You give a task with no examples. Use this for simple, general questions where standard answer works. Few-shot prompting. You provide 3 to 5 examples of the exact output you want. This is the best way to teach the AI a specific pattern or style. Boosting AI logic. For complex math or logic, use chain of thought coat prompting. Simply add the phrase, let's think through this carefully, step by step. This forces the AI to show its work, which significantly reduces errors. For even harder problems, ask the AI to decompose the task into simpler sub-problems first. 3 rules for success: be direct and specific. Instead of summarize this, say summarize the top 3 points in a bulleted list. Specify the format. Tell the AI exactly how the answer should look. For example, JSON, a table, or a specific persona. Allow for I don't know. Explicitly tell the AI it is okay to say I don't know if it lacks information. This prevents the AI from hallucinating or making up fake facts. Security awareness. Be aware of prompt injection. This is when malicious input tricks the AI into ignoring its original instructions to perform unintended or harmful actions. Prompt engineering is an iterative process. Start simple, look at the result, and refine your instructions until they are perfect.